How to log in Deviant Art account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser on your computer. After opening up, you'll be able to see the search bar. So you have to click on the search bar and search for Deviant Art. After entering, you'll be able to see the search results. So you have to go for Deviant Art Wikipedia option in the second. After that, a Wikipedia will be opened over here. So in order to log into your account, you have to go for login option over here in the top right corner. If you are new, then you can go for create account option. After clicking on that, you'll be able to see the text boxes over here in the left hand side. So in the first text box, you need to enter your username. Similarly, in the second text box, you need to enter your password associated with your Deviant Art account. If you want to keep yourself logged in, then you can click on this small box. By doing that, from the next time whenever you try to log in, then you don't have to enter your username or password. You will directly log in into your account. After that, you have to go for login option over here, and by doing that, you will be logged in into your account. If you need help in logging in and forget your password, then you can go for this option over here. You will be helped to recover your account. So by following this simple step, you can log in Deviant Art account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.